Hello, everybody. It's me, Bruce Moose.
And me, Miss Hall.
Welcome back to another day of Sounds and Words.
We're so glad you could all join in. Everyone, let's begin by reading the learning target. Say it with Bruce, friends.
I can identify specific sounds in words.
Great job. Our first activity is a rhyming activity. I'm going to say 2 words. If those words rhyme, we're going to put our hands in the air. If they don't rhyme, we'll just shake our heads no. Listen carefully, friends. For, or. Do they rhyme? Yes, they do. Great job. Fork, first. Do they rhyme? No, they don't. Very good. Horn, corn. Do they rhyme? Yes, they do. Great job. Let's do 2 more words, friends. Short, sharp. Do they rhyme? No, they don't.
Awesome job identifying rhyming words, friends. Now it's time to identify the first sounds we hear in words.
That's right. I'm going to say a word. You're going to listen for the beginning blend sounds. When Bruce does this, you're going to say what the blend is. Is everyone ready? Here's our first word. Score. Great job. Thorn. Very good. Snore. Great job. Spell. Very good. Let's do one more. Trip. Tur.
Great job identifying the beginning blend sound of a word. Now we are going to get our choppers out.
That's right. Bruce and I are going to say and chop all the sounds in a word. When Bruce does this, you'll put the sounds together and say what our word is. Are you ready, everyone? Listen carefully. Or. For. Very good. Or. Fork. Very good. Or. Pork. Very good. Sh or t. Short. Let's do one more. St or Storm.
Great job blending all the sounds in a word together to make a word. Now for our next activity, we're going to identify the final sound we hear in words.
I'm going to say 3 words that all end with the same sound. When Bruce goes like this, you're going to say what that last sound is. Here's our first set of words. Cord, ford, sword. D, very good. Stork, fork, cork. K, great job. Dorm, norm, storm. Very good. Let's try one more set of words, friends. Force, horse, course.
Awesome job identifying the final sound you hear in words. Now it's time for you to get your choppers out.
That's right, everyone. I'm going to say a word. You're going to repeat the word and then chop all the sounds you hear. Are you ready to give it a try? Here's our first word. Say more. Now chop more. O-er. Very good. Say torn. Now chop torn. T or n. Great job. Say horse. Now chop horse. H or s. Very good. Let's do one more. Say floor. Now chop floor. or.
Great job breaking a word down into all its individual sounds.
Now, for our next activity, we are going to start by saying a word. I'll tell you the first sound to change. And when Bruce claps his hooves together, you're going to say what our new word is. Listen carefully. Say bore. Change B to K. Core. Very good. Say core. Change K to D. Door. Great job. Say door. Change D to full. Floor. Very good. Let's do one more. Say floor. Change full to sh. Sure. Great job changing the first sounds and words to make a new word. Now for our next activity, we're going to start by saying the first chunk of a word. I'll tell you the last sound to add. When Bruce does this, you'll put it together and make our word. Here's our first one. Say her. Add t. Hurt. Very good. Say sir. Add ch. Search. Very good. Say per. Add s. Purse. Say for. Add k. Fork.
Great job adding an ending sound to a word to make a whole word. Is everyone ready for our last activity of the day?
Here it is, friends. We're going to start by saying a word. I'll tell you the last sound to take away. And when Bruce does this, you're going to say the beginning chunk of the word that's left. Are you ready? Here we go. Say barn. Say it without n. Bar. Very good. Say start. Say it without t. Star. Very good, friends. Say corn. Say it without n. Core. Very good. Let's do one more. Say first. Say it without st. Fur.
Great job taking away the last sound from a word and saying the first chunk that's left.
That's all the time we have for today, friends.
Great job identifying specific sounds in words.
We can't wait to see you again next time. Have a great day.